Model: 2014 Ford Transit Custom 270L1 diesel front-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 125ps low-roof limited van body, black, panel van mileage, 142,418 MOT, the 9th of May 2024 engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-B transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is quite rough. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is quite rough. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control, aircon EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £8,450.